Are you now how you can give a custom name to downloaded file in UI Vision? So we will start here. Firstly, we will search here for download anything. When you will reach here, firstly we will give here a command on download, and here we will give a custom name, and here is a true value. It's a true value. You can see here it's a command of on download. Here you can see it's a command name, and here it's a first parameter, and here it's a second parameter. First parameter is used to give a custom name. Here a custom name, and second parameter is used to download, is used to just tell it wait for download or not. Actually it's proceed next command after wait after complete this downloading. Okay, and here we can see that firstly we will give here parameter of on download, and here we will give a click. How we can actually we will tell here where we want to download a file. Here we will start a download file, and it's a name of file which you want to give it. So we'll start it. As you can see that it's a name, and also wait for done. Okay, and it's successfully done. Now it's rise an error because it's already downloaded. So next command is on error. When you will place this command, you will give uh, first and second parameter. First parameter of this command is here go to or restart, because if you will give here go to, it will able to go on a label like we'll give here a, and like here I will give a command to rise an error, like I want to save a variable of value of a, value of b into c, but as we know b is not defined, so it will rise an error. And here I will give a label where it will go when it's rise an error, like here label name is a. So I will play it. You can see that it's go here, like you can see that it's go on a label, but we will use in a real time in a different way. You can also put here restart. You can see that it's go again and again, but tries an error and again restart. So we'll stop it. And next command is open. As we know, it's use just open a website in Chrome. As we can see that it's open a Google, but in case of open browser, it will open a new browser. You can see that it's open a new browser window. In other case, it's a pause command. Pause command is used to give a delay. If we give here a value, it's in a millisecond. Like if we will click here, and it will pause for 12 seconds. And if we remain empty first parameter, here if we give nothing here, and it will just a pause here. You can see that it's also risen. When we play it, it's pause and rise a notification, and while you will not resume here, it will not go anywhere. And you can see that it's pause and it will not go on further command while you will not click on resume. So we will check a next command. Next command is prompt. Actually prompt it's a first parameter is just a text where you want to show in a pop-up. Enter a value, and next is a variable where we want to store value of this pop-up. Actually, it will raise a pop-up during automation while we want to get any input from user. So when we will play it, you can see that it's rise a pop-up, and also you can see that here is a value of second parameter appear, and here we will give a value like 1 2 3 4, and when we will confirm it, and you can see in a variable section value of a is equal to which are given in a pop-up. So next command is refresh. It's just a command for refresh. Like we can see that it's a page of Chrome, and if we want to refresh, and we can refresh by single command, just a refresh. We will play it. You can see that it's now refresh, and we will again play it. Now it's again refresh.